salvations of the Lord and thy blessings upon thy people. I laid me down and slept. I awoke, for the Lord will help me. O Lord, rebuke me not in thine anger, nor chasten me in thy wrath. For thine arrows are fastened in me, thou hast laid thy hand heavily upon me. There is no healing in my flesh in the face of thy wrath, and there is no peace in my bones in the face of my sins. For my iniquities are risen higher than my head, as the heavy burden, and they press heavily upon me. My bruises are become noisome and corrupt in the face of my folly. I have been wretched and utterly brought down until the end. All the day long I went with downcast face. For my loins are filled with mockings, and there is no healing in my flesh. I am afflicted and humbled exceedingly. I abhor from the groaning of my heart. O Lord, before thee is all my desire, and my groaning is not hid from thee. My heart is troubled, my strength hath failed me, and the light of my eyes, even this is not with me. My friends and my neighbors drew nigh over against me and stood, and my nearest of kin stood far off. And they that sought after my soul with violence, and they that sought evils for me spake vain things, and craftiness is all the day long they meditate. But as for me, like a deaf man, I heard them not, and was as a speechless man that openeth not his mouth. And I became as a man that heareth not, and hath in his mouth no reproofs. For in thee have I hoped, O Lord, thou art hearkened unto me, Lord my God. to the